Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Asus ROG Phone 5 versus Asus ROG Phone 6. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about dimension. Height. ROG Phone 5 has 172.8 mm height and Phone 6 has 172.8 mm height. Width. ROG Phone 5 has 77.3 mm width and ROG Phone 6 has also 77.3 mm width. Thickness. Asus ROG Phone 5 has 10.3 mm thickness and ROG Phone 6 has also a 10.3 mm thickness. Weight. Asus ROG Phone 5 has 238 gram weight and ROG Phone 6 has 229 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. ROG Phone 5 has 6.78 inches screen size and ROG Phone 6 has also a 6.78 inches screen size. Resolution. ROG Phone 5 has 1080p resolution and ROG Phone 6 has also a 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. ROG Phone 5 has 20:9 aspect ratio and ROG Phone 6 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. ROG Phone 5 has 395 ppi pixel density and ROG Phone 6 has 399 ppi pixel density. Display type. ROG Phone 5 has an AMOLED display and ROG Phone 6 has also an AMOLED display. Protection. ROG Phone 5 has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and ROG Phone 6 has also Victus protection. A screen to body ratio. ROG Phone 5 has 82% screen to body ratio and ROG Phone 6 has also a 84.5% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Asus ROG Phone 5. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Asus ROG Phone 6. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. Asus ROG Phone 5 and Asus ROG Phone 6 both the phone can record 8K video at 30 fps. Front camera. Asus ROG Phone 5 has 24 megapixel selfie camera and ROG Phone 6 has only 12 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk both the phone hardware. Chipset. Asus ROG Phone 5 come around Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and ROG Phone 6 come around a Snapdragon 8 Plus generation first processor. CPU. Asus ROG Phone 5 have octa-core 2.84 GHz and Asus ROG Phone 6 have octa-core 3.23 GHz. GPU. Asus ROG Phone 5 has Adreno 660 and Asus ROG Phone 6 has Adreno 730. RAM. ROG Phone 5 has 8GB, 12GB or 16GB of RAM variant and Asus ROG Phone 6 has 18GB of RAM. Internal storage. ROG Phone 5 has 128 256GB internal storage and ROG Phone 6 has 128 256GB internal storage. Card slot. ROG Phone 5 and ROG Phone 6 both the phone doesn't support any expandable card slot. Battery. Asus ROG Phone 5 has 6000 mAh battery and ROG Phone 6 has 5850 mAh battery. Fast charging. ROG Phone 5 has 65 watt fast charger and ROG Phone 6 has 65 watt fast charger. Operating system. ROG Phone 5 has Android 12 ROG UI and ROG Phone 6 has also Android 12 ROG UI. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Let's start with ROG Phone 5. It support under display fingerprint. It also support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 144Hz refresh rate. Let's talk Asus ROG Phone 6. It's also support under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, 165Hz refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk both the phone price. Asus ROG Phone come around $46,000 of $588 of 8GB RAM variant and ROG Phone 6 come around $73,000 of $924 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Asus ROG Phone 5 versus Asus ROG Phone 6. Design wise both the phone have same design. Display are also the same. Camera is there is a better camera on Asus ROG Phone 6. Hardware is also better on Asus ROG Phone 6. Connectivity are same. Charging are also same. Price is better on Asus ROG Phone 5. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.